What's up, my name's TechNobo here for TroubleChute and welcome back to another video. In today's quick video, I'll be showing you how to apply for the new public beta environment for Valorant where you can try out new features, characters, and more. Now, unfortunately, at the time of recording this, it's limited to only North American players, however, you're free to sign up. Assuming you do meet the requirements of playing in the North American region consistently, being in North America, and having no bans or warnings against your account, you're more than free to go ahead and sign up and start playing the new public beta environment for Valorant. If you'd like to do so, click the link in the description down below. You'll be taken across to this page over here. Welcome to Valorant PBE registration. On this page over here, you can read some information about it and see the requirements that I touched on earlier. When you're done reading through it, simply click Apply here at the bottom of the page and then click Sign In. Note that you'll be signing in with an existing account rather than creating a new account. Now that I've signed in, you'll see a page like this and soon be redirected to the download page over here. As you can see, there's a download button on the right hand side, and upon clicking it and download once again, it'll download a new installer. This isn't the normal Valorant installer, this is the Valorant PBE installer. Click on it to open it up, and then follow through with the steps to install this new Valorant client. Note that this is separate from the official Valorant client. I'm pretty sure you'll need another 16 gigabytes of space to install this new version. Once it's done, it should simply open up and ask you to sign in immediately. Now, assuming that you've already received your acceptance email to the program and you've clicked the link inside of it, you should be able to access the game over here. However, as you can see, I currently am unable to access the game. Why is this? Well, my primary region is EU West, not North America, as I live in South Africa and that's the best place that I can get the best ping. So unfortunately, I won't be able to participate in the public beta environment for Valorant. However, I'm making this video for the majority of my North American viewers who may be interested in testing out new features, characters, and more for Valorant. Once again, if you're confused with the process, basically you should get an email at some point telling you that your application was accepted and you're able to start testing beta features. Simply launching up the client using the new public beta environment shortcut on your desktop and signing in will let you test out new features. Note that the shortcut over here to Valorant PBE is different to this shortcut over here for just normal Valorant. As you can see, opening up the properties, launch patch line, live compared to launch patch line PBE. Two separate versions of the game itself. What exactly does the email look like? Well, unfortunately, I'm not able to show you, but as soon as you click the sign up button, you should almost immediately receive an email telling you that your application has been sent in. That email should look something like this. Welcome, thanks for applying to be a tester on Valorant's public beta environment. Just hang tight for now, you'll receive an email if you're selected for an invite. And once again, a download link and a link to the subreddit. You can also find a link to the subreddit on this page over here, the download page for the PBE client, and of course in the description down below if you're interested. As well, you'll find a link to the PBE FAQ where you can find out more information on this new version of Valorant, which became available sometime earlier this month. But anyways, that's about it. Hopefully, if you're located in North America, you'll be able to start playing this almost immediately. And if you're like me outside of North America, hopefully at some stage they bring these features to the public, allowing more people to test out the game itself. However, if they don't push out the PBE to everyone, at least at some point in the future we'll get the new characters, features, etc, if they're added to the full version of the game. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. My name's been TechNobo here for TroubleChute, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!